Hayes-Mallusa, Easy. Regulations for the rain. Clouds they gather, winds they collide. But I know it's the Lord God Almighty who holds the sky. Storms may rise and rivers break. Still your hands regulate. Lightning crashes, thunders speak. But it's your voice that commands the deep. No flood will ever wash away your holy name, for it always has been you who regulates the rain. You set the bounds for every tide. You calm the lightning, you hush the sky. You are my shelter when I'm out there, my strong tower, the life and the light, my water for those who thirst, the life-giving spark. You are the flame, you regulate the rain. When the storm comes, I won't be afraid. You stand between me and the grave. Even when the heavens shake, it's you who regulates the rain. Tears may fall and hearts may ache. Still your promises you don't break. You keep all the ones you make, otherwise you wouldn't be making them. In the flood or through the flame, your mercy never fades. You are riding every storm, turning chaos into beautiful songs. Every drop falls at your command. The rain is in your hand. I trust the rain you send, I trust the rain you end. Every cloud, every wave answers to your holy name. You rule the waters, you rule the flame. You regulate the rain, you stand between me and the grave. Forever and ever you reign, you regulate the rain.